Hi. Welcome to Professor Nikhil Gulati's YouTube channel. For learning 5 day-to-day vocabularies regularly with its meaning and an example, you are requested to subscribe the channel for regular free updates. So, let's get started. The first word is alien. This word is a noun which means an alien is a creature from a different world. The alien came in peace. Second word is among. This word is a preposition which means, if you are among certain things, they are all around you. There was a red apple among the green ones. Third word is chart. This word is a noun which means, a chart is a list of information. We used a chart to see how we had improved. Fourth word is cloud. This word is a noun which means, a cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. The sky was filled with white clouds. Fifth word is comprehend. This word is a verb which means, to comprehend something is to understand it. Henry could not comprehend the message.